Choosing between Geico and Progressive for car insurance? You're not alone. They're two of the biggest names in the game and both promise great rates and solid coverage. But which one actually gives you the better deal? Let's break it down so you can make the right call. Starting off with Geico, this company is known for keeping things simple, affordable, and easy to manage. If saving money is your main goal, Geico usually offers some of the most competitive rates, especially for drivers with a clean record. Their mobile app and online tools are excellent too. You can handle everything: payments, claims, roadside help, right from your phone. It's quick, efficient, and perfect if you prefer doing things digitally instead of calling an agent. That said, Geico does lean heavily on online service, so if you're the type who likes walking into an office and talking to someone face to face, it might not feel personal enough. And while Geico advertises tons of discounts, the exact savings depend on where you live and your driving situation. Now, let's talk about Progressive. This one stands out for its customizable coverage and wide range of add-ons. You can go beyond standard protection and include extras like gap coverage, rideshare insurance, or coverage for car modifications. One of Progressive's coolest features is the Snapshot program, which tracks how safely you drive and rewards good habits with lower rates over time. Progressive is also more forgiving for drivers who've had past claims or tickets, making it a solid choice if your record isn't perfect. But keep in mind, Progressive's starting rates can be a little higher than Geico's, especially if you're already a safe driver. Still, the flexibility they offer can make it worth it. So, which one's better for you? If you want no fuss, budget-friendly insurance and love managing everything online, Geico will suit you best. But if you want a custom policy, like more coverage options and features that reward safe driving, Progressive might be the smarter move. To sum it up, Geico wins for affordability and convenience, while Progressive takes the lead in flexibility and control. Both are trusted nationwide, so it really comes down to what matters most: saving money upfront or having options to adjust your plan your way. If this helped you decide, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck finding the coverage that fits you best.